Time to do hands-on. Let's get to the Jupyter notebook which we created earlier for variables and data types. Now, as you can see, I'm going to do some exercises to show you how implicit and explicit data type casting happens. So implicit typecasting, let's start with that. I'm assigning a variable a with the value of 5, and same way I'm assigning 3.4 to the variable b. So a is integer, b is float, as you can see. Now I want to add a plus b and assign it to c. That is, I am assigning an integer and a float, I am adding both of them and then assigning it to variable c. So c is becoming float implicitly. When I print c, you'll understand that the value is 8.4, and when you check the type of c, it should be float. Can we check that? As we expected, the variable value is 8.4 and the variable data type is float. Now you have understood implicit typecasting, which is one of the advantages of Python compared to other programming languages. Now let's understand explicit typecasting. I am assigning the variable f with a value complex 1, 2. That is, complex is a function where I am assigning the variables or passing the variables 1, 2. Now when I assign this, f is going to become a complex data type. So let me print it and see. Now as expected, since I have passed 1, 2, the variable has become 1 plus 2j, which is of type complex, as you can see in the outcome. Same way, I can convert integers, I can convert hex and octadecimal. Let's see how we can do it. Integer based conversion, yes, 11001. I am assigning this value to the variable s, and I am passing integer function with these variables s and base 2. That is, I am converting it to the base 2, integer base 2. Now when I print it, what is the value? This is the example that we saw earlier in our topic. The variable is converted and the value is 25. G carries the value of 25 now. Same way, if I have to try hexa and octadecimals, I am just printing x of int of s and oct int of s. The conversions are done. That is where I say that the direct conversion from string x to x is not possible. So I have converted the string to integer, and then from integer I am converting to hexa, and from integer I am converting to octa. That's what has happened, which has resulted in the right conversions. I hope you are able to understand how the data type casting works in Python. As I always tell you, I would recommend you to try these things hands-on, explore more, learn more, practice more. Looking forward to you in the next session, in the next topic, where we are going to discuss more about other areas in Python. So see you in the next section. Thank you.